This is really unexpected because it never happens. So I'm really sorry about it.
It's okay.
Wow, that is unexpected.
So while Lisa was editing, she realized that I never actually told the story about Fernando that I've been promising to tell. And Fernando, there's a fun story with that I will share later. And there's a special story on Fernando that I'll share in that day's video.
Very
so
special
stay tuned
story
for that.
Yep.
So here's that story now. When Lisa and I were back in college, we did this sales thing where we were selling books door to door. And one of the things that they recommended that we do is print out some visuals, like pictures of something that we wanted, like a goal to hit. And so it might be something for ourselves, but they encouraged us to really think of something that would benefit someone else. So something that wasn't just like a selfish goal necessarily. So not just like money or something we wanted to buy, but like somebody we could help or something. So one of the goals I set was to sponsor 1, 2, or more kids, and I had gone online and printed off a few photos. One photo was actually of Fernando, but when I went to actually sponsor kids at the end of the summer, I ended up going with a different organization. So I'm not sure why, but anyways, I did. And then like several years later, I'm not sure exactly how many, again, it was like 3 or 4 years later, we decided to switch to Compassion for the kids that we were sponsoring. And we went online and we were going through, looking up different kids. We came across Fernando's picture, and it was the same picture that I had printed out and put on my dashboard several years earlier during the summer selling books door to door. So it was just so cool. Like, I don't know, like why the picture hadn't been updated, or, like if somebody had sponsored him, then he became available again, or had been waiting that long. But it was just really neat that, his picture I had put on my dashboard as a goal to support and sponsor him. So we're so excited to finally see Fernando in person. But the day didn't go quite as planned.
All right, we are about to go and meet up with Fernando.
I think that's probably our host.
That's the host texting us. Fernando just turned 12 years old 3 weeks ago. So we're super excited to meet him. So it's like about an hour and a half drive to Cayambe, the part of Ecuador that he lives in. So super excited. All right, let's go. All right, this is the park we are meeting at. Now the goal is to find them somewhere in here. This is a fun park. We may be taking some paddle boats out later. Oh my goodness, there's a Monsters Inc. one.
Oh yeah.
So that is Cayambe. Huge volcano. Look at this slide, it's so steep. You guys, that is like the coolest slide I've ever seen. I think we need to come and have races. This is such a fun park. Yeah, I think people sit there and then look at the little stage. This is the best park ever. You guys, look how cool this is. So they're on swings and then they'll go boop, boop, boop. It's the best thing ever. Oh, and there's even a skate park? Wow. This is such a nice park and the day is just amazing. It could not be a more gorgeous day. We definitely put sunscreen on today because, well, we are on the equator and we are at like 9,000 feet here, and so we're very, very close to the sun.
Like Fernando's dad took him to a different place to work with him, like be with him.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is really unexpected because it never happens.
Oh wow.
So we are just waiting for a confirmation on at what time he will be here in Cayambe.
Well, we can go to him too. I mean, we have the car, so if we need to go to where he's at, his dad does.
But we are working to make everything goes better. So I'm really sorry about it.
Okay.
Wow, that is unexpected.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
And actually, this is the first time that it happens.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
we have here like a partnership facilitator,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and she is the one who is the bridge between Compassion
Sure.
and the church.
Right.
Gotcha.
And it's their job, for example, when you schedule a home visit,
Yeah.
it's their job to go to a project
Yeah.
and make all the arrangement for
Sure.
the visit to happen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and somebody missed
Uh
one of the steps,
oh. Uh oh.
and yeah, they
So they didn't. So Fernando doesn't even know we're coming today.
there's a possibility.
Oh wow.
Whoa, that's gonna be a big shock for him.
So sorry, guys.
Yeah.
I don't know what it
There's
is.
nothing you can do about it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, here's a call.
Oh, there she is. Hello?
Oh, I just feel sick right now. Well, this is like super sickening right now. These days has never happened before, but like, he's not even here. So we always know 1 month in advance so they can set this day aside. Sounds like Fernando may not even known we were coming. Hey, we're walking around the park while I was planning the slides, and yeah, we might not even get to see him.
He's there in Quevedo. Quevedo is 1 hour from Babahoyo.
No way.
Wow.
It's 8 hours from here. They knew about the visit in 2 months ago. I
Yeah.
was talking to the
Right.
project
Yeah.
director.
Yeah. Because we let him know like 3 months ago.
Yes, and they
Where's-
said like they didn't make the final confirmation.
They did know, but it
Yeah,
was never
it's, like
confirmed.
the project,
Yeah.
the staff from the project. They should remind them, make a reminder
Yeah.
to them, like
Right.
don't forget tomorrow is your visit,
Yeah.
and they forgot that step.
Oh,
Sorry. Hello.
always have reminders.
At least we have a host to try to
Figure out what we can do.
but while we're here, we still visit the center, we visit his family and just meet his family.
Yeah.
We won't meet him, but we'll meet his family.
Right. Yeah.
And meet all of his
for sure.
siblings and
Yeah.
still give them the gifts, and he'll have gifts waiting for him.
For sure. Definitely.
I think that's
Good
what needs to
backup plan.
happen.
Yep.
Maybe what we can do is, for example, right now, maybe go to see the project.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yep.
see his folders,
Yep.
and maybe go to his home.
That'd be
Yeah,
great.
if we can still
Yep.
meet his family at least.
Everybody in Quito is working to make all the
Right.
get like exactly what happened.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Gotcha.
yeah, it's like we are really sorry about
Yeah.
it because
Yeah.
It's not your fault, but yeah, it kind of stinks. It's starting to hit me more because at first we were just like, oh, no big deal. Like, we can go meet him and his father, but they're 8 hours away, and I'm just starting to cry because, I mean, just so much planning went into this day, and it's just kind of, wasn't expecting it, but we are hoping to still be able to see his family, go to the Compassion Center, and maybe on the way home, because apparently they're on the way back right now, but it's still 8 hours. So maybe we can intercept them on the way, maybe in Quito, and at least say hi. But yeah, no idea where the miscommunication happened.
okay, the director project she's coming in 10 minutes.
Okay.
And she will take us to, she's with Fernando's mom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and she will take us to the project,
Okay.
see everything, and then to their home.
Okay.
We can maybe have lunch
Yeah.
with them,
Yep.
and we will meet Fernando in Aloha. We can meet them there
Okay.
on their way to
Okay.
Cayambe. So
Oh, yeah. So we can still,
Good.
yeah,
it would be-
that works.
We see the sun in the sky. We feel it all unfolding. Into the morning we'll take flight. It doesn't matter where
2015.
we're going.
Oh my goodness. Is this Fernando?
Yeah.
When he was more can you?
And this is where we start.
Oh.
Very smart young man.
He studies a lot. Wow.
The ground we're standing on is right where we belong.
It's once a year.
Okay. So they have it right here. Wow. Right in the community, they have this medical center. This is so great.
Not all the projects has medical center.
Yeah,
like
this is so nice. So is this associated with the church?
Yes.
Oh,
it's
wow.
part of the church.
And when the wild is calling, we'll
That's nice.
take it all if we want.
Part of the amount that you give each month, they take a percentage of that
Sure.
to the church for
Right.
all the maintenance and
Yeah.
yeah, and they use part of that to build the swimming pool.
Yeah.
And also they have donations from the government.
Okay.
And all the people that is building everything.
Sure.
Is the like kids' parents.
Yeah.
And then is it going to be used for the whole community or just like kids with compassion, or how is it? How is the pool going to be used?
Y eso es, o sea, solo para los chicos del proyecto. They need to pay a ticket to attend the swimming pool. So they're there, and then they will have like more income. Yes.
Oh, cool.
And for the maintenance of the swimming pool.
Yeah.
They also have a soccer field, she's saying.
Take it all if we want it. We'll chase down every road just to see what's beyond it. This time.
So when it's really windy, they can still play. That's great.
Some Fernando's friend received a visit from their sponsor. It's like somebody, I don't know who, tell them like, okay, next week you gotta come to Quito because, well, you will see Fernando. You will see your sponsors there in Quito.
Oh my goodness.
So they travel to Quito?
No. It's all that.
Ah, so he uses his handle and makes stuff. That's awesome.
We're covered by your shadow.
Hey, buddy!
Hi.
Mr. Christmas pig.
Your arm reaches out to us. We're sheltered by your power. Your voice is what we can trust. In the wild, and the fierceness of the waters, the hideaways, every risk.
We got red ones, white ones, pink ones,
Purple.
purple.
Wow.
It takes 4 months for the flowers to bloom.
The flowers
On the bus?
there. En un bus se lleva. Yes, in a bus.
Wow.
If they don't have car, they take the flowers on a bus.
Yeah.
So I think, o sea, eso fue ahorita entregar flores. Sí. Yeah. So they went to Quevedo to deliver flowers and then come back.
Wow.
You deliver flowers all over Ecuador.
This is a entrega flores en diferentes lugares. Sí. Yes. In
Wow.
different places.
Even in the storm, I won't be afraid. Your sovereign hand remains.
These guys? So with these flowers, there's a crop every 4 months. With these ones, it goes from this to that size in 1 year. Most of them just sell in Ecuador, but she also sells them to somebody that then sells them to Russia. So she's internationally known. These are gorgeous flowers, and it's huge. It's a family event too. Her husband helps, the kids help. So great.
Oh, that's big. That's huge.
Wow,
Wow.
that's so big.
Yo creo que solo uno porque ellos no. Do you want to take one of those to the United States?
I don't think we can.
Oh wow. Okay.
Wow.
One flower. Yes, okay. 10 of these are 50 cents.
Oh, are you getting ready for market? Look at this.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Hola.
It's really the whole family.
Wow. That's awesome.
Hola.
Wow. That's so cool.
So is this tortilla?
Nice.
This,
Every day you get to do this?
eso hacen todos los días.
No, cuando
Okay, so,
sí.
entonces uno de estos es el que dijo 50 centavos. Okay.
It smells so good in here.
It does.
So this, one of this is
50 cents. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh
Y
wow.
aquí salen como, ¿cuántos? ¿Unas 20 flores o más?
o sea, cada uno de esos es el que vio ella.
Here's the guy that buys the flowers.
Oh, he buys them. So they're getting them ready for him right now. So that's why they have to finish.
That's right. He's
Hey,
waiting
Peter.
for-
The guy in the truck is waiting for the flowers. That's why they have to finish real fast. He's got the flowers already.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the dad's workshop.
Yes.
Oh, wow. And then back here they have guinea pigs for later for eating. And the pig is for Christmas dinner. Wow, these are huge guinea pigs. That one's so fat. Look how big, like seriously guys, look how big these guys are. They're quite big.
Oh, a lot of metal there too.
Yeah. There's so much metal, scrap metal that he can make stuff with then. What a hardworking family.
Yes.
Wow, you changed so fast.
Se cambió súper rápido.
Ah, so nice. She's amazing.
You are the chaos to my perfect timing. You're the God of the wilderness.
They're cooked too.
I don't want to waste any of the juice. It's good stuff.
She asked somebody else. She was really sad, and she was really worried about it. And she was saying like, "I'm really, really sorry because this was my fault."
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thanks. I'm glad this is all working out, though. We're going to get to see Fernando still. We got to see
Yeah.
the farm and see the family and go to eat. So it's working out.
Yeah. So we are going to intercept Fernando's bus. So he's on a bus. He's going to come here. We're going to intercept him and go have an ice cream. It's 3:30 in the afternoon, so we have about like an hour or so with him. That's them. That's them over there. They're coming.
Cue the music.
Yeah. Dun, dun.
And this is where we start.
Hola.
We know
Finally.
the ground we're standing on. It's clear to see that you and me
Mucho gusto.
It's clear to see you're ready for anything now.
We were looking for you all over Cayambe.
Yeah. We finally found you. Oh, look at all the different flavors. They have a lot of flavors. Wow. Here, go ahead and order. Oh, wow.
We're standing on is why we
It's so pretty.
this feeling that we found.
Bueno?
Está bueno, ¿te gustó?
Chocolate y blackberry? How do you say blackberry?
Ground we're
Mora.
standing on is right where we belong. This feeling that we found, it's clear to see that you and me, we're ready for anything.
Fernando hugged us before we even opened it.
Dice que quiere tomarte un...
I hope you like it.
Qué chévere.
You knew you liked drawing.
Es para
so good
pintar
at it.
mucho. Como tú eres muy bueno para pintar.
And just like that, they got on their bus. Woohoo!
We're ready for anything now.
Look at that sunset. I think it's because of the altitude. I mean,
Yeah, it's similar to the headache I get like at the end of a ski day too. Which I thought that was just because I wasn't hydrating enough, but even on days I hydrate, sometimes I get it. So I thought it was my contacts, but it's obviously not contacts today. So I don't know, maybe it's the altitude. It's crazy.
it's altitude, babe. We have not
I love
been.
the mountains.
Yeah, but we've not been in altitude in a long
You get
time.
acclimated
We
to it.
went from 0 to like 9,000 feet, so it's like boom.
So crazy.
Yeah. So we just got locked in. The wind shut the door.
Okay.
So what are you saying?
Yeah. First of all, anacondas are not like in the movies, like a T-Rex showing the teeth, like they're about to eat you.
Yeah.
And they are, for example, maybe 12 meters from the floor to the top of this pole, electric pole. And what I have seen, I've seen many anacondas. Like, did you see that
That-
over there,
yeah.
holding the billboard? Yeah, like that. Like maybe this.
Oh
size.
my
But they
goodness.
can't get things this full.
Oh wow.
Yeah.